DevOps is not dead. It's evolving with AI. Some people are saying that AI is going to replace DevOps. Let me be clear. DevOps is not dead. In fact, it's more critical than ever. Here's why. AI does not replace systems thinking. It does not build resilient cloud infrastructure. It does not troubleshoot live production outages. AI assists, but humans orchestrate. DevOps is still the backbone of delivery, security, and uptime. As a cloud DevOps and Linux engineer, I've used AI tools every day. I use them to summarize logs, predict incidents, and even auto-generate YAML files and other files. But those tools rely on secure CI/CD pipelines, IAM policies, SLO frameworks, and multi-cloud infrastructure. Who builds, maintains, and scales all of that? DevOps engineers. DevOps isn't being replaced. It is evolving. AI is joining the toolchain just like containers, GitOps, Terraform, and Kubernetes did. The engineers who embrace AI, not fear it, will lead the next generation of operations and platform engineering. Now, if you are in DevOps, SRE, or cloud infrastructure, this is your window. Learn how to work alongside AI. Automate smarter, solve problems faster, but never forget, AI still needs humans to ship code, secure it, and keep it running. In conclusion, DevOps is here to stay, and AI, it's just another tool we're going to have to master. Well, thank you for watching, and God bless. I'll see you in the next one.